I'm going for G.
That's one guy. There's another guy that way.
Dead.
Oh, what?
You ready? Let's go.
Oh, nope, it's a real person.
Nope.
Knock.
Going to shake him.
Single wall. Oop, people.
Where?
They're separated. It's two teams. Don't land in the middle. Getting off. Going big now. Oh,
I need help. I need help. He's going into all of my freaking builds. Get him?
Where's he at?
Oh, Johnson already got him.
Oh, rocket coming in from agency. Enemy.
Agency? There's, oh shit.
20?
Over here, behind us.
20 a lot.
24, cracked. I got a different team over here.
We got a sniper behind us.
Oh, I got a guy right next to me.
I'm going for G.
That's one guy. There's another guy that way.
Dead.
Oh, what?
Oh, glider coming in. Steps. Wow. He's got a minigun.
Wait. Why'd you finish him?
Hey, that was tea.
Yeah, I killed him, but it's okay.
Oh, jeez. We still fighting?
Yeah.
There's a guy over here.
Where? Oh, I'm getting sniped at too.
Yeah, it's the guy from agency. I'm pushing him.
22. Got him.
Wow. Ooh, shots.
Okay, shot it. I see him. Nothing. Quit stealing kills, bro. That's why I like him and Anthony always got the damn grappler, and then they die.
Oh, I see him in the house. I'm out.
Where? Top or bottom?
Bottom. Just one, I think. Knocked. Shaking. I hear shots.
Oh, they're all
Give
here.
me all your loot. Whoa! Footsteps? Dang. Shots?
I think they're over there.
Where? I don't see him.
Great idea.
He's in the water.
Oh, they're up there, they're up there.
Open 19 credit cards to make it happen. See
Those are the last people left.
It's 100%
Broke shield in the water. Knocked. Dead. Oh. Up here on the hilltop. Broke shield. 23. There's two of them. There's two of them. Watch out. There's two.
I cracked one for 115.
Down the hillside. He's going. He's running away.
That's the last guy. I don't care.
Tried to crank. First game on.
That's what happens when you hang out with us.
What do you mean? Yes, I am.
Oh, now it shows that you're streaming.
Keep myself progressing, cause I creep around suppressants. I don't sleep enough, you guessed it. Every second is a blessing. Got no time to be depressed. On this grind, you always stress, so I work harder than the rest. That always said to do my best.